Alright guys, so we're taking the ABS off the passenger side front. I gotta tell you, surprisingly, these torque hex nuts weren't very hard to take apart. The other side of this was very easy as far as the ABS was concerned. The rear ones were very difficult, but I did put a video on how to take those off if your ABS is stuck inside. To be honest, it wasn't even the wheel well on the outside. It was very the way the ABS is set up on the rear side is very let's just say, what's the word for it, dangerous. Well, not dangerous, but it'll mess up your whole entire day if you guys can't take that out. And if you guys can't take it down, you guys throw all of that in, that's gonna go not onto the wheel hub but into the differential. Crazy how it's done, but I did make a video on how to remove it if you guys are stuck in that situation. Hope that has helped you guys out. But this is how it's removed. That's the plug right there. This is the ABS, and this is the last one I'm going to do for today. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. All right guys, take care.